Okay, so we are here in a house in Londonderry, New Hampshire. What we did was a swap out of a normal boiler in a tank water heater, and we put it all into this. So this is a IBC Combi boiler. What it does is it's going to take care of the home's heat and the home's hot water. It's really nice because we're able to put it all in this one thing instead of having a big boiler and a big water tank take up a ton of space in here. We're already in a pretty condensed mechanical room as it is, so this is going to save them a ton of space, and Tyler is going to tell you a little bit more about how it operates.
So this is what's called a modulating boiler. So instead of a traditional boiler which runs 100% all the time, this system is going to adjust its output based on what needs the house has. So instead of running 100% just for when one zone is calling, this system might cut down and run 50 or even 60%, and that's part of how this system saves on energy. This also producing hot water is efficient because instead of constantly heating a tank of hot water, this only turns on and burns fuel when the system is sensing water flow through the hot water pipes. So that's going to save them money in general. Instead of heating a tank of water that only gets used for an hour or two a day, this system is only going to burn fuel when somebody's actually using hot water, which can add up to tremendous savings just on the domestic hot water side. But then you factor in the heat savings as well. You can save a lot of money, and a system like this over time can easily pay for itself.